Welcome back. Here we have some Christmas trees that are currently being printed on the Bamboo Lab A1. Currently using Polylite PLA Silky Gold for the tree topper, Polyterra PLA Green for the tree, and what is yet to be printed once the tree is thicker will be red bulbs on it. As you can see, we are just finished the Christmas tree ornaments. They are three colored, red, green, and gold for the toppers. Let's see if we can break one off and see how it works. I came off real easy. So literally it's just a hole on the top where you can put your hook or a string on and hang it on the tree. Don't forget, if you like our content, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.